Exposed, Grace Mugabe sleeping with cabinet ministers. Ahead of his meeting with army officials to discuss his exit, Mugabe was wailing profusely and saying that he wished he could speak to his dead wife, Sally Mugabe, and his late son, Michael Namajanaika, who died from cerebral malaria in 1966 at the age of 3. He spends most of his time looking at an old photograph of Sally. "It is terrible," the aide said of Mugabe's first wife, who died of kidney failure in 1992. In 1996, Mugabe went on to marry his current wife, Goji Grace, who was also expelled from her role as head of the ZANU-PF Women's League forever. Rumor has it that the army's intelligence chief announced to Mugabe that his wife, Grace Mugabe, was sleeping around with the young ministers in Mugabe's cabinet. The frail dictator has been staging a hunger strike over his confinement under house arrest and is refusing to take regular baths or speak, the aide added. The only person who has managed to get through to him was the Catholic cleric Father Fidelis Mukanori, who is mediating between Mr. Mugabe and the generals, the aide added. Images of the meeting showed Mugabe, who wore a black suit, white shirt, and red tie, with his hand to his head and deep in conversation with senior security officials, including Army Chief Constantino Chiwenga, who led the military takeover earlier this week. President Robert Mugabe this afternoon met with Zimbabwe Defense Forces generals at State House, the Herald said on its Twitter feed, accompanied by photographs. Impeaching the president is the next step when Parliament resumes, and lawmakers will definitely put the process in motion, the main opposition's parliamentary chief whip told the Associated Press.